Decorating for the fall season doesn't have to induce fear and loathing. One of the easiest ways to decorate is to just spookify your existing decor. You can spookify just about anything. Sorry, Bernie, the weekend's over. Heavy on the magic, light on the industrial. That makes for one-of-a-kind Halloween decor. It is that time of year for that fall decor to see the light of day. If everything's organized from the start, it should be easy to set up. Decorating for the fall season doesn't have to induce fear and loathing. If things are properly packed, it'll be easy to access and decorate come the next season. Here's some packing and storage tips for your decor. If things aren't packed properly, you can end up with a surprise when it's time to decorate again. Guess it got a little warm over the year and these fake candles real melted. Be careful what you store outdoors and in your garage. Temperature-sensitive items should be kept aside and stored indoors. For indoor decorations, I love a clear bin. You can see exactly what's inside. This should be a no-brainer, but label your bins as well. Alas, I knew him well. That was extra credit for you literary nerds. I'm such a ham. It's also easy to add some color coding to your seasonal bins. You can find a variety of colored and patterned duct tapes, which are perfect for the job. A bit of orange for my fall and Halloween bins. Put a piece for color coding on each side. Keep things organized, separate them by room or type of decor. So when you need it, everything will be in the right place. Now this is set up for success, see-through, color-coded, ready to tag. And a simple shipping label. See you next fall. Spooky stuff. Cute, I guess. Can't be good at everything. What do you mean 7 days? Halloween, autumn. Halloween, autumn. One of the best parts about fall decorating is the versatility. Throughout the season, you use a lot of similar elements. And with Thematic layering, the transitions between seasons can be seamless. Here's how to optimize your fall decorating. Setting up for the season shouldn't be a hassle, so make it stress-free. You can decorate one bin at a time, one room at a time over several days. I like to make it even more fun with a playlist to fit the occasion. You can make your life so much easier by starting with a base layer of autumn decor. All the generic decor like leaves, pumpkins, all the cozy stuff. Makes it easy because I organized and labeled my bins. These aren't scary, but they'll change the mood from summer to fall. I especially love to bring the outside in with some natural elements like wood and straw. Once that base layer of decorating is done, you can add in all those spooky elements just for Halloween. I love simple props that are easy to set out and take away when the holiday's over. Then you're left with your base layer, no need to redecorate. One of the easiest ways to decorate is to just spookify your existing decor. Add spider webs, and don't forget to add spiders. You can drape gauze over items, and use a spooky fabric over furniture and windows. You can spookify just about anything. These were already collecting dust, so just add some cobwebs. Adhesive Velcro is an easy way to string cobwebs. You can find unique items at thrift shops that fit that spooky vibe. One person's trash can be a Halloween treasure. Customize your finds with your own touches. That makes for one-of-a-kind Halloween decor. Even if you've already decorated for Halloween, you could be missing one key element. I've got a few ideas to illuminate the season. Here's how to elevate your Halloween with indoor lighting. You can make a big impact with your Halloween decor by adding a little contrast and color. LED lights come in a variety of styles. They can be multicolor, and best of all, they're affordable. Your best option is going to be battery powered to add a little light and magic just about anywhere. Heavy on the magic, light on the industrial. These are so compact you can put them just about anywhere. An effect I love is to make the swap to flickering light bulbs. Now that's a safe way to give the illusion of an actual flame. Smart bulbs can be a lot of fun. Of course, you have wireless controls, you can set timers, and I love to sync them to music. If you've never used LED strip lights, Halloween is the perfect season to give them a try. With this flexible strip, you can really get creative to fit any shape, size, or space. And if you didn't already know, you can cut these to size, and they usually include an adhesive strip. You can add a huge splash of color to walls and corners with LED floodlights. Unlimited power! Happy Halloween. Are some of your decorations looking a bit bare bones? Here's how to transform generic Halloween decor. With everyone shopping at the same stores, you can run across the same decorations throughout the whole neighborhood. That's why I like a simple DIY to dress up a common prop. So take all those old costumes and get ready for a makeover. You can dress up a skeleton to fit any Halloween theme. Sorry, Bernie, the weekend's over. Let's get you dressed to impress. Now, I just need to get you a broom. My skeleton witch. Hey, cowabunga, you wanna go for pizza? I said, do you want pizza? Use your imagination, the options are endless. This is perfect if you repurpose old costumes or you can find affordable options secondhand. If you don't have a skeleton, go ahead and make your own character props just by stuffing a costume. It doesn't take magic to bring an old costume to life. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.